வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸில் we discuss about energy stored in a capacitor. So then how to define when a capacitor is charged, it move against electric potential. So this work is stored as a electrostatic potential energy. Okay, so what is the standard formula? Then U is equal to then 1 by 2 QV. That should be Q represented as a charge, then unit as a coulomb. Here V is the potential difference, that is volt. Then C is the capacitance, then Faraday unit. Then U is the energy stored, that is joule. Okay, so then energy density can be defined as that should be 1 by 2 then epsilon E square. Here energy is stored in the electric field, not on plate. It only valid for vacuum and dielectric. So these are all the exam point. You have to remember those point. Okay, the energy is proportional to square of voltage. For a fixed charge, then if the capacitance is larger, there should be a smaller energy. Okay, so then based upon the previous slide, we have to make the important MCQ related this topic. A capacitance then 10 microfarad is charged to 100 volt, then find the energy stored. So we know the formula, then 1 by 2 CV square, then C is the capacitance kudutanga, then 10 microfarad, then potential kudutanga, then V is equal to that is 100 volt. So just we have to substitute capacitance and voltage in that formula, then we make the simple calculation, then we find the equation. Okay, so the correct option is B. Okay, so then this is the most important. A capacitor is disconnected from the battery after charging. A dielectric is increases. Inserted fully, the energy stored will, that should be a decreases. Option B is correct. Okay, so this is the most important problem. We have to given two capacitors, then C and 2C are connected in series across a voltage V. Then what is the total energy stored? So total energy stored நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் formula, then U is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. But here you have to give two equivalent capacitors are connected in series. So then we make the equivalent capacitance. Okay, then after that we have to find out the equivalent capacitance. Those find out the equivalent capacitance, we have to substitute in the energy stored formula. Then after we get the solution. So the correct option is D. Okay, 1 by 3 C V square. So then detail steps we have to make. Okay, follow those steps. So then assessment and reasoning. So the correct option is A. So both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. So from the basic slides, we have to discuss elaborately those 2 points. Okay, so similar match the following. Okay, so thank you. We meet in the next video.